Hello you beautiful mass of stardust, and welcome. My name is Eusebios, I'm a holistic health coach and nutritionist, and today I'm making 3 really delicious heartwarming winter juices. I know that winter can be quite tough when it comes to finding enough fruit and veg, especially in Greece during the winter months. We don't have that much fruit available. So I've gone out and picked 5 fruits that are currently in season in Greece. Those are oranges, blood oranges, grapefruit, apples and pomegranate. And I've just gone ahead and added some pineapple, which you can get all year long here, and some ginger. So the 3 juices that I'll be making today are all really easy to make. They're all with very few ingredients and super delicious. I'm gonna start making the juices. I've got all my fruit already chopped up in front of me. I just need to chop up a few more things, and then I'll just walk you through what I put in each of the juices. So I'm going to start us off with the orange juice, which includes carrots, apples, oranges, ginger and a little bit of lemon. I've already got my carrots chopped up. I'm going to throw these in the juicer. Now as a juicer, I've got the new Heartwarming H320. If you're looking to buy a juicer, this is one of the best juicers out there. I actually have a discount code if you want to use that, and you can get 10% off any of the juicers. I've added in the carrots. I'm going to go ahead and add in some apples. I'm going to keep some aside for the other juice, so I'm just putting about half of the apples that I've got already chopped. And then I'm going to put also some orange. We've got a beautiful lemon tree in our garden, so I've just gone out and picked a few of these lemons. Look at how tiny these lemons are, they're really cute. Usually I would just add 1 lemon, but because these are so small, I'm just going to add 3 of them. It's always best with citrus fruit to remove the skin, just because otherwise it becomes very bitter. And I'm also going to add in some ginger, because for the winter months, especially if you're living somewhere that's cold, it's nice to get something that's going to warm you up. So I'm adding the lemon in there, and then I'm also going to chop up a little bit of ginger. Just about 1 inch or 2 of ginger will do for roughly a liter of juice. Now with the ginger, I've already washed it, so you can put it in with the skin as I do, or you can peel it if you desire. As you see, it's already gone through pretty much everything. I'm just gonna open this to get the juice out. This juice is really nice. If you're not gonna drink your juice straight away, it's always best to store it in an airtight jar or container, just because it's gonna preserve as much of the nutrients of the juice as possible. That's juice number 1. We're going to move on to juice number 2. So the second juice I'm making is a beautiful pink juice. It includes pomegranate, apple and orange. It's one of my favorite combos out there. I absolutely love pomegranate, and I could just drink pomegranate juice by itself. So I've just gone ahead and basically combined that with apple and orange, and I think it's such a beautiful combo. So I'm just adding in the orange now, and then also the apple. I'm just gonna get this going. So as you can see, it's already ready. I'm just gonna open this and get the juice out. I love the color of this. It's like this really beautiful bright pink color. Second juice is already done. I'm gonna close that up and turn this off. So off to the next juice. This is actually one of my favorite juices of the last couple of weeks. I think I've been making this juice almost every day, and it's just so delicious and so beautiful because I love blood oranges, and the fact that they're in season now, I just go to the organic farmers market and get like 10 or 20 kilos of oranges every week, half of which is blood oranges. So for this juice, I'm just adding in pineapple. I've got about half a pineapple chopped up already. So I'm going to add that into my juicer, and then also some grapefruit, pink grapefruit. I'm going to add about 4 blood oranges in the juicer. The reason why I've gone ahead and added pineapple into this juice is because pineapple contains quite a lot of bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that really supports our immune system, and it can actually help with things like pain and soreness. It really helps our bodies function at their best. So if you like pineapple juice, you can go ahead and add it in juices such as this or any other type of juice that you prefer. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get the last bit of juice out. Look at this color. This just looks so good. So there you have it, 3 really delicious, heartwarming winter juices, all made with seasonal ingredients, except maybe the pineapple, and all absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel, you don't have to, but if you do, thank you very much. If you have any questions on juice cleansing, juice feasting, water fasting, or getting your nutrition and your health to the levels that you've always desired, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. You can actually book a 30-minute free call with me. I've got a link in the description below. For now, I'm gonna enjoy these beautiful juices. I hope you enjoy yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.